Hello from the Garden Shop product demonstration video. In this video we want to show you one of our range of irrigation products we have on the website, and it is the water impulse sprinkler. So this is the product here in front of me. We can just talk you through now the features of the product itself. So if you look closely then at the product, the first feature really is the deflector plate which we have here. So the deflector plate then allows for the water to be dispersed in a particular direction, and also encourages the impulse sprayer to rotate around in a full 360 degree direction. The next feature then is the fact that you can set your pulse sprinkler to a number of different settings. You can allow it to rotate a full 360 degrees, or you can set it to a particular angle. And that can be done simply with this what's called return clip. In the upright position as it is now, the sprinkler is set to do a full 360 degree rotation. But with these red clips beneath, you can adjust these and then place the return clip down in position, and you will have locked your impulse sprayer to only rotate to within a certain angle. So I'm just going to lift that back out again now, so that it is back in its 360 degree position. Okay, now looking then at the front here of the sprayer, okay, you can see here at the very front, this is where the water will actually come out, okay, and then there's also a small adjusting screw here which is spring mounted, and this adjusting screw will alter the way that the water comes out of the sprayer, meaning that you can get a more direct jet or a more spread out fan style of spraying of water. So what you can do with this sprinkler is adjust it to your particular size of garden. Really, it can spray quite large areas, although it can also be adjusted to spray and water smaller areas. What you can see here now is that we have our sprinkler mounted onto a Darlock tripod stand, and this just elevates the spray and gives a further better spray on the water. Alternatively, you can use our sprinkler base, which is also a Darlock product. And the sprinkler would screw directly into the top of this, and the hose is then connected in here. So the last thing to just say is this is actually made from a brass and alloy material, making for a very strong and corrosive resistant product. So what we'll do now is we'll just hook it up and see the sprinkler in action. Okay, so I'm just going to connect my hose here, which we have using a brass hose connector, to the base of our tripod stand. So you can see that the water is rotating around here now. It's sprinkling out in one direction. And now it's rotating around in a 360 degree direction to give you a full spray across the garden. So you can see it in action there. So that's the product anyway. It's the pulse sprinkler, and it's a product available on thegardenshop.ie.